Folks, today we're going to talk about top telehealth stocks for strong and healthy account growth. Now, while most people are waiting or counting down the days till the COVID-19 vaccines is released to the general public, there's one thing we've learned in 2020. The world has to be prepared for the unexpected and the unpredictable. We just don't know what will come our way next. Just think about this year. It's been crazy. And while the terrifying COVID virus may be, hopefully, in the last chapter, or at least we hope it is, the world will never be the same way again, or will work the same way again. There's been major disruption in how people live and work in the past year, and one of the biggest changes or adaptations has been demand for virtual care, which continues to increase in popularity as technology makes it easier to communicate virtually and privately with your healthcare specialist. First, patients and providers becoming far more comfortable with virtual appointments and less face-to-face time. It's easy, it's simple, effortless. Matter of fact, virtual care adoption accelerated during the pandemic after Medicare and Medicaid and private insurers providers expanded coverage, and the government allowed providers to administer telehealth over platforms such as Zoom and FaceTime. According to analysts at Frost and Sullivan, the critical need for social distancing among physicians and patients will drive unprecedented demand for telehealth, which involves the use of communication systems and networks to enable either a synchronous or asynchronous session between the patient and provider. In simple terms, Teladoc is only in the very beginning stage of growth and will continue to expand over the next decade at a lightning fast pace. And that's why today I want to focus on a few companies that stand to gain the most due to this massive disruptive tech that's happening around the world right now. First company is Anthem. ANTM is the ticker symbol. It's a healthcare company. The company provides medical products through its subsidiaries. It operates through commercial, consumer, and other segments. Now, here's the kicker. The company's live health online service allows patients to consult with health professionals about COVID, other mental and physical health concerns. The program costs just $59 or less per visit and allows users to get expert advice, a treatment plan, and prescription if needed. 5-year return for Anthem, the company, is 129%. 5-year revenue growth, 41%. 5-year earnings growth, about 120%. And dividend growth in the last 5 years is 82%, which is huge for a medical company. The stock saw positive earnings surprises last 2 quarters, and I'm giving it a price target of $425 per share, giving it potential upside over the next few quarters, especially in light of the political climate the country's entering right now, which will increase capital towards healthcare stocks. The next asset is actually an ETF. It's Global X Telemedicine and Digital Health ETF. The Global X Telemedicine and Digital Health ETF, what a mouthful, seeks to provide investment results that correspond generally to the price and yield of the performance of the EDOC ETF. It offers exposure to companies involved in telemedicine, healthcare analytics, and connected healthcare devices, and administrating it all through digitalization. The EDOC ETF is a fairly new fund beginning its trading just in July and has already showing very impressive results. It's currently up about 18% since its inception and should continue to give investors and traders positive alpha as long as the healthcare sector continues to heat up, which is more than likely to occur over the next few quarters, especially if COVID continues to heat up and the general population doesn't get vaccine till spring of 2021 as expected. I hope that helps. Folks, one underground trader has discovered how to use an ancient formula called the golden ratio to make supersized stock market returns, and he's about to reveal his findings to the public. That's exciting. Anyone who knows how to use this timeless mathematical equation has the opportunity to collect quick cash from the trades no matter which way the market is headed. That's great. I love that. So you can see why we wanted to tell you right away about it. The thing is, there are a limited number of spaces available for this groundbreaking presentation. So make sure you secure your spot today by clicking on the link below and adding the event to your calendar. Do it now.